Tired of your old TikTok name? Changing a TikTok username and display name is easy. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update your TikTok username and display name on your Android phone. Let's dive in. Open TikTok app, then go to your profile section in the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile. So if you want to change your display name, tap on Name. In the name box, enter your preferred display name. Note that your nickname can only be changed every 7 days. So after you're done entering your new display name, hit Save. After that, if you want to change your username, tap on Username in the Edit Profile menu. Your username can only be changed once every 30 days. So be sure of it before changing it. After you're done changing your username, hit Save at the top, and your username will be changed. So that's how you can easily change your TikTok display name and username on Android. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give it a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.